Hi, hello, and welcome to DzynerByDesign. This video is inspired by this advertisement where a bold 3D text is placed behind the artist. When you do the same with a picture, it picks up your brain to see the 2D image as 3D. I'm going to show you that technique with a simple two-step process. Alright, let's get started. To start with, from the Insert menu, search and select a picture. I have a pre-selected picture here. As a first step, make a copy of the picture by clicking Ctrl D and overlap it in the same position. Now, select the picture on the top layer. From the Format menu, select Remove Background. PowerPoint analyzes the picture and tries to mark the background that will be removed with purple color. But it also allows us to choose what to keep and what to discard using the Mark Areas menu. In this picture, we need to remove the sky and the ocean. Using Mark Areas to Keep menu, I am drawing the lines across the rocks. You will notice that as I draw the lines, PowerPoint removes the purple color in the area. Now, using the Mark Areas to Remove menu, draw the lines to remove the sky and the ocean. With each marking lines, PowerPoint reanalyzes the area and repaints the purple color. You need to mark the areas until you get the desired results. Once done, click anywhere outside the picture or hit Keep Changes. Wonder why there is no change? Remember, we made a copy of the original picture which is still behind. In the selection pane, you can see the layers of the objects in your slide. The original picture is on the bottom layer and the modified picture with the background removed on the top layer. Okay, the next step is to insert the text. Now format the font size and color and send it backward. So now the text layer is between those two pictures. From the Format menu, select Text Effects, Bevel and select 3D options. Here, set the width to 6 points and height to 25 points. The text has been given a 3D look, but to see that effect, it has to be tilted to an angle. To do that, from the Text Effects menu, select 3D Rotation and select a perspective. See how the text is making your brain to see this 2D picture as 3D. Adjust the text to make it blend in with the picture. Once you master the technique, you can make wonders with your pictures. Here are a few examples that I created with the same technique. Unleash your imagination with DzynerByDesign. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe for more such useful videos and hit the bell icon to get notified when new videos are published. See you in another video. Bye now.